starting at $40,020. The Pacifica offers a quiet plug-in hybrid powertrain and clever storage expansion techniques that may go undetected in the midst of the clamorous demands of parenthood. FK Tech here. Children enjoy bestowing nicknames on objects, and the Chrysler Pacifica certainly merits a multitude. This van was the pioneer of stow-and-go seating, with its second-row seats disappearing into the floor with the dexterity of magician David Blaine performing one of his incredible card feats. Offering both front-wheel and all-wheel drive, the Pacifica has a greater variety of powertrain alternatives than rivals like the Kia Carnival, Honda Odyssey, and Toyota Sienna. The standard powertrain consists of a 9-speed automatic transmission mated to a 287 horsepower V6. The Pacifica Hybrid model is equipped with a 260 horsepower plug-in hybrid system that achieved an astounding 540 miles of range in our most recent highway fuel economy test. Sliding rear passenger doors allow passengers to enter and exit the second and third rows of the Pacifica more rapidly than SUVs. The Pacifica, or however the youngsters prefer to refer to it, is an exceptionally versatile minivan. What has changed in 2024? The 2024 Chrysler Pacifica will undergo minimal modifications. Chrysler introduces sepia as a new interior color option for the Pacifica Pinnacle, in addition to red hot and Baltic gray as new paint options for other trims. There are now only 2 customization levels available for the plug-in hybrid Pacifica, Hybrid Select and Hybrid Pinnacle. The Uconnect infotainment system of the Pacifica has been updated to include a novel emergency vehicle alert system. This system is capable of detecting the approach of emergency vehicles and signaling the driver to yield. The mid-range Touring L provides the finest balance of value and features, as it includes a multitude of extra amenities compared to the Touring model's base model. Heated steering wheels, perforated leather upholstery, heated front seats, and 18-inch rims are all standard equipment. Although we are content with the decision to stay with front-wheel drive, we recognize that some customers may prefer the added security that the all-wheel drive system as an option provides for this van. We would recommend sticking with the standard 3.6-liter V6, however, as our 40,000-mile Pacifica Hybrid experienced a few reliability issues. Cargo, comfort, and interior. Equipped with cubbies, cup holders, slide-out containers, and connectivity, the Pacifica is roomy, airy, and loaded with amenities that minivan purchasers adore. While the fit, finish, and materials are satisfactory, there are a few low-end plastic components concealed within the cabin. Elevated Limited and Pinnacle models feature elevated center consoles that more seamlessly integrate with the cockpit, thereby imparting an SUV-like experience when operating these trims. The opulent Pinnacle model features identical lumbar pillows for the second-row captain's chairs and quilted leather upholstery, a feature not seen since the last time the ultra-luxurious Mercedes-Maybach S-Class stopped by our office. Standard stow-and-go seats on the Pacifica are less cushioned than those on competing models. This is due to the fact that these chairs must be foldable to fit into the floor of the vehicle. In order to compensate for the Pacifica Hybrid's lack of a stow-and-go second row, underfloor storage space is entirely occupied by the battery pack. Chrysler engineers added additional padding to the conventional captain's chairs. In regards to cargo transportation, the Pacifica delivers without fail. We were able to accommodate 53 of our carry-on suitcases after stowing the second and third rows of seats. Although a built-in vacuum cleaner is an available option, it reduces the amount of available space that could be allocated to a mini spare tire. Infotainment and internet access. The cockpit of the van features climate control vents encircling a glossy 10.1-inch touchscreen that represents the Uconnect 5 infotainment system manufactured by Chrysler. The Uconnect 5 features an Amazon Alexa integration and a home interface that can be customized. It features wirelessly connectable Apple CarPlay and Android Auto interfaces in addition to a Wi-Fi hotspot. For the amusement of children, an optional rear-seat multimedia system is available with Amazon Fire TV and dual touch screens that grant access to movies and television through embedded streaming applications. The Pacifica's cabin features up to 12 USB ports, some of which are USB-C ports, which provide faster charging capabilities for smart devices. Performance, transmission, and engine. Although not the fastest minivan we've evaluated, the Pacifica with front-wheel drive is by no means lethargic. It attains 60 miles per hour in 7.3 seconds, which is approximately average in terms of performance, and feels sufficiently energizing in the city. The gas-only Pacifica is powered by a 3.6-liter V6 engine that produces 287 horsepower and is mated to a 9-speed automatic transmission. With 260 horsepower in total, the Pacifica Hybrid's 3.6-liter V6 and 2 electric motors, powered by a 16.0 kilowatt-hour lithium-ion battery cell, produce less power. Compared to its more potent sibling, the Pacific Hybrid required an extra 0.5 seconds to reach 60 miles per hour in our tests. However, all-wheel drive is not an option for the Pacifica Hybrid, only front-wheel drive is available. 3,600 pounds is the utmost towing capacity of the Chrysler Pacifica. It is not advised towing with the Pacifica Hybrid by Chrysler. MPG and fuel economy in the real world. A minivan should possess fuel efficiency as well as space efficiency. The Pacifica Limited that we evaluated achieved an impressive 31 mpg on our highway fuel economy route at 75 miles per hour. The Pacifica Hybrid is rated at 84 mpg combined and can travel up to 33 miles on electric power, per the EPA. We mirrored the EPA's 33-mile range estimation in the city. Before the petroleum engine was activated, the Pacifica Hybrid could travel 23 miles on the highway while operating solely on electricity. Safety and assistance for drivers features. The Pacifica enhances its safety reputation by providing virtually every driver assistance feature currently available. Automatic emergency braking with pedestrian detection as standard. Blind spot monitoring with rear cross-traffic alert as standard. Lane departure warning and adaptive cruise control are standard equipment. Coverage for maintenance and warranty. Chrysler provides a warranty program that is average in its category. Although the Kia Carnival has longer lease terms, the Pacifica's roadside assistance plan can be utilized for a longer duration. Hybrid components in the Pacifica Hybrid are covered by a 10-year, 100,000-mile warranty. The limited warranty is valid for 36,000 miles or 3 years. The duration of the powertrain warranty is 60,000 miles or 5 years. Hybrid components are covered for the greater of 100,000 miles or 10 years. No scheduled complimentary maintenance. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.